What's going on there, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys with another YouTube video. And yes, as you guys saw in this video, ATM billionaire, just kidding, I'm not a billionaire, ATM something, I'm gonna be showing you guys my office, updated office tour. I get a lot of DMs, I get a lot of text messages like, yo, that office tour you did the other day was sick. I definitely wanna see it. So I'm literally just gonna be showing you guys our office. Introduce you to a couple of individuals. I'm gonna show you guys what we've been working on the deep side of the office. Obviously you have 5,000 square foot of beauty here in the Dale. Arizona is where we salt our margaritas. We do not salt our sidewalks. Did you like that? Everybody liked that. That's right. If you guys are watching this right now, you guys might be actually salting your sidewalks, so I apologize about that. But if you guys haven't already, make sure and go give me a thumbs up. Make sure and go smash that subscribe button. My knuckles are bleeding right now because it's super dry here. So I need some lotion, and we're gonna get started with this video, ladies and gentlemen. So as you guys can see, here is an absolute mess because Cody V, I'm shouting him out right now. Maria has not told him his job, just kidding. We have about 30 ATMs in the office right now that all have locations. All of our clients purchase ATMs. We go install the ATMs for them if they purchase a contract from us. It's called our ATM automation. Our ATM automation program is exactly what you guys are seeing here. So clients have paid us to go ahead and land a location, land a contract, install it for them, as well as do the dang thing. Speaking of that, did we get those guys access to their back ends?
Yes, we did.
Perfect. Look, just like that. So this is what kind of the front area is. Eventually, I think we want to have like more of a sitting area rather than it just being all ATMs, or I might just do all ATMs. I don't really care. It's all good. So roll with me over here. I want to introduce you to Maria. Maria is our office admin. Thanks, Maria. We appreciate it. Here's my beautiful plant. You guys can take a look at Camelback Mountain. Rolling over here, as you guys can see, honestly, it is a Monday. It's a late Monday. So every single one of our actual employees or business partners is actually out of the office right now. So this is kind of where, some of the magic happens. Get what I said there. Some of the magic happens right here. Over there, we got the man, the myth, Brendan Gray. He is an absolute stud. He is our business partner in Casher Houses as well as A&A Development, which happens to be actually our real estate company. This is where all our deals are. Can't show you. Psych! Noah psyched out there. Back there is Mr. Zabak's office. All of you guys know Zabak, and you know what's going down in the crown. Let me answer this call right here quick. What's going on, brother? All right, guys. He's wondering where his ATM is at. Here is the conference room. Obviously, this is where some of the magic happens. If you guys are interested, this is our bell cart. This is our bell cart, so we can, you know what I mean, make some stuff happen here. Scuff up the walls. That way, Zabak and I can go actually paint them. This is where deals get dropped into. They just lift up the thing, drink it, and then ring the bell, ladies and gentlemen. This over here is our pride and joy. This is actually what we've been working on the last couple of months extremely hard. Obviously, we brought down a dining room table to make it kind of cool. People can sit, chill, hang out, actually eat some lunch and do all the different things. Obviously, we have cupcakes because it was Tyler's birthday. Shout out to you, Tyler. Happy birthday, bro. And then, of course, you guys have the A&A show. The A&A show, if you guys haven't already, make sure and go subscribe. The link is in the description below. We'll walk in here. I'm not sure if you guys can see a whole lot, but this is the A&A show. A lot of you guys are like, whoa, no lights. And I forget there's no lights because the lights are tied into our actual camera lights. So this is where the magic happens. Austin and I are going super hard with the A&A show. It's definitely something that we just enjoy. We've brought on some gangster guests. We brought on some incredible individuals, and we're just going to continue to work on it. Right now, we're actually working on Logan Paul coming to the office and actually doing an A&A show with us. So, we're gonna bring big names like that to the A&A show. We just had Caleb Maddox on the show. The dude has over 100,000 kids inside of his program. It is literally insane. And this wall right here, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, we got the Iconic. It took about 2.5 weeks to get in. Shout out Iconic. We've been waiting to get their paintings in. They're slow when it comes to shipping, but that is a-okay. But this wall, Austin and I actually personally painted it matte black, if you guys couldn't already tell that we personally painted it. No, it's not bad. We personally painted this actually this last weekend. We personally, as you guys can see, which we'll do updated office tours because you guys get these questions. You guys always ask me to see an updated office tour. This entire unit right here is actually being built out. Obviously, as you guys can see, that's what it's going to look like once it's all done. These are going to stand up, every single one. It's going to have dividers. This is going to pretty much just be like our sales force. This is going to be our sales team. This sales team is going to sell a bunch of different items for us. It's going to have a couple of customer service individuals, just, you know, all the good stuff, right? Moving on to over here, this is kind of like our deep side of the office. As you guys know, Noah is right here. And over here, we're working on actually bringing in our ads guy. So Austin and I just started running ads, becoming online marketers, which is something we've been working hard to do over the last 6 months. Really last 90 days. So we're gonna bring in our ads dude over here, which is gonna own a portion of, you know, the online money that we make. So, you know, ladies and gentlemen, this is really the office tour. It's kind of crazy. I'll tell you guys, just like looking at this office now, walking through this, like, honestly, it's like surreal for me. Like, especially like the smallest things, like blacking out a wall and getting Iconic and having the lights shining down on it and having a table that, you know, you can literally fulfill 12 individuals, literally 12 employees will sit here that are gonna thrive, that are gonna get people excited, that are gonna literally change people's lives. Like, looking at that, like just seeing this inspires the heck out of me. You know, like, it's crazy, man. Like, I used to work from home. I'll be honest with you guys. I used to work from home and I thought I worked so hard. I thought I could do so much until Austin, my business partner, was like, man, you need an office. You need an office. You need an office. You need to feel like you're going to work for something. And ever since we got an office, it's like, man, this has just been truly nose tripping over vacuums. It's been truly insane. It's been truly life changing just for me as an entrepreneur, because, you know, a lot of times being an entrepreneur, I always wonder, man, are you actually doing anything? Are you actually making stuff happen? Are you actually changing the world? Are you actually changing people's lives? And let me tell you, the amount of people that walk into this office space, see the stuff, the hard work, the resilience, the grit, they feel the energy when they walk in here. That right there is life changing, you know? And then obviously moving over to the A&A show, just, I mean, I'll be honest with you guys, I never had pictured myself in a million years actually doing an A&A show. I've never even pictured myself owning a studio where a black wall is getting signed by individuals that people, all they do is look up to them. People that watch these certain individuals, people that, you know, strive to be these individuals, people that want to be these individuals, people that actually are making a difference in the world today are signing this black wall, are coming in here at the A&A show and actually dropping value, free content for every single viewer in person that we've personally impacted. I'll be honest, it's a surreal feeling. So, you know, I kind of just want to share that video with you guys. I wanted to show you guys our update. I know it doesn't seem like a lot if you guys go watch our previous one, but it's quite a bit, you know? Like just the vibe of a coffee table, the large, you know, desk setup dividers, the Iconic and the black wall. It honestly changed the game on this side of the office. Like, this looks so dope, doesn't it, Noah? Like, it's sick, right? Once the dividers are up, like, I'm fired up to see what this place looks like when it's finished. And I mean, we're just getting started. The entire front is not gonna look anything like what it looks like right now. And I think that's what I'm ultimately excited about. So if you guys are striving, if you guys are grinding, if you guys are working your off, I'm not gonna cuss because I'm monetizing stuff now. So we're gonna keep this monetizable. You know, if you're striving for something, just remember, man, just keep working hard. Just keep putting in the work, keep putting in the resilience. Don't give up, don't quit, because what you see right now is not gonna be that end result. What you're putting into right now is not ultimately gonna be what it is that you got. Like, right now, it might not look like it's great. Right now, it might look hard. Right now, it might not look easy. Right now, it might look like it takes failure after failure after failure after failure after failure to create one success. I'm telling you guys right now that, you know, I've worked hard for a decade of my life. A decade of my life I've worked as being an entrepreneur, and I thought I'd be a whole heck of a lot further than really where I'm at, but it takes some taking steps back to go forward, right? To take a step to slow down, to speed back up again, and understand that, you know, what you have right now is just a current portion of what it is that you're working towards. Everything's always 90 days out. Everything's always 90 days out. So 90 days ago, I was working for what I currently have 90 days today, if that makes sense. So if you guys are thinking about quitting, I'm telling you guys, just keep pushing through. Just keep pushing through. Just keep going. Just keep working, because I'm telling you guys right now, it will always pay off. It might not look like it's going to pay off right now, but it is going to pay off. And I share with you guys that just because that's what it looked like for me, man. It looked like it was easier to quit. It was easier to give up. It was easier to be a solopreneur rather than actually go out there and make stuff happen. So ladies and gentlemen, Austin Lewis here. If you guys haven't already, make sure and go like this video. Go subscribe to your boy. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. We'll see you guys in some future videos.